Hello and welcome to second grade skills block, day 16, words rule. Our learning targets for the day: I can identify plural words with an IES ending. I can read and identify singular words ending in Y and EY and plural words ending in S and IES. Now let's read the poem line by line. Open up your ears to find the rhyme. When we read together, we sound great. Listen up to the rhymes we make. Today, we're going to read a poem together. First, I want you to follow along as I read. Then we will read it together and think about the words that we read. Going to read it again, and I suggest that when you're at home listening that you read it too. While we're reading, we can practice our rules of fluency so that we read smoothly, with expression, with meaning, and at just the right speed. So I'm asking that you read along with me at home. I spy. I spy with my little eye many groups of things. 2 bunnies hop and flop. 3 flies stop and drop. 4 lilies get cropped on top. Down the pavement I go, so many groups to know. 5 ladies scrub and grub. 6 puppies tug the rug. 7 kitties love a jug. No one is alone today. So many groups come my way. Suddenly I feel so low. Where are all the people I have known? I know. I'll find my family. My sister, mom, and dad make 3. Families are such great groups. Go get yours and play some hoops. Great reading. Now, I want you to take a minute to read the poem to yourself again. And while you're reading, think about words that share the same sound. See if you can find some words that all share the same sound. Then we're going to talk about it in the next slide. I hope you found some words that share the same sound as you reread it on your own. Great reading. What are some words that shared the same sound as you just reread it? That's right, we have bunnies, flies, lilies, ladies, puppies, kitties. What sound did you hear at the end of many of the words in this poem? That ES sound. That's right. Those are the words we will learn more about today. They are plural words, which means more than one of something. Like bunnies, it says 2 bunnies. Not just one, but 2. That makes it plural. Same with lilies. It says 4 lilies. Not 1, but 4. Now let's read the poem one more time. I'm going to read it out loud, and I want you to read along with me. Let's make sure we focus on all those words that have that same ending sound. I spy with my little eye many groups of things. 2 bunnies hop and flop. 3 flies stop and drop. 4 lilies get cropped on top. Down the pavement I go, so many groups to know. 5 ladies scrub and grub. 6 puppies tug the rug. 7 kitties lug a jug. No one is alone today. So many groups come my way. Suddenly I feel so low. Where are all the people I have known? I know I'll find my family. My sister, mom, and dad make 3. Families are such great groups. Go get yours and play some hoops. Great reading, second graders. Now we will take a closer look at the words that you discovered. Can you take a closer look, a closer look, a closer look? Can you take a closer look at these words today? Yes, we'll take a closer look, a closer look, a closer look. Yes, we'll take a closer look to groups the words today. I hope you're singing along at home with me. Here are some of the words that we read in the poem and some new words that share the endings. Take a minute to examine some of these words. What were some of the similarities that you noticed about these words? There are singular words that end in E, which is spelled like Y or EY. They have that E sound, like puppy, but it's spelled with a Y or an EY, like in turkey. There are plural words with the E's sound, spelled with either an IES or an EYS. So we hear the E's sound like puppies, and in that case, it's spelled IES. Or we have the E's sound like monkeys, spelled EYS. What comes before all the singular words that end in a Y? So let's think about a singular word means that there's just one. An example would be puppy. In this singular word, puppy, what is coming in the ending before our Y? That's right, a consonant. A consonant is any letter that's not a vowel. So in puppy, the consonant is our P. So you have discovered a spelling rule. Words that end in a consonant and Y are made plural by replacing the Y with an I and adding an ES. Words that end in an EY are made plural by adding an S. Today we're learning how to read and spell words ending in Y as well as how to make them plural. What did you discover about syllables in these singular words ending in Y and EY? They all have 2 syllables. So yes, these words all have 2 syllables. The Y typically makes the E sound in words with more than 1 syllable. So the words we will learn all have more than 1 syllable. Look at what this spelling pattern is. When the letter before a Y is a consonant, change the Y to an I and then add ES. Let's put these words into 2 groups, plural and singular words. I'll read the word, then we will decide where to write it on this enlarged charts. Think of what the ending letters are. So in our first word, puppy, do you hear an S sound? No, I just hear puppy. So what column does that fit into? Puppy. That fits into our singular. Great job. Notice our ending, the sound is E, but it's spelled with a Y. And it's singular because there is just one puppy. Now, I want to think about another word. Puppies now they are our plural. Notice that when I say puppies, I hear the E's at the end, and it's spelled I-E-S. It's plural because there are more than one. Notice when we went from singular to plural, I dropped my Y baby, I dropped my Y, added an I, and an E-S. Now it changes when we get to monkey. I have my vowel Y, an E-Y. Instead of dropping my Y, I leave it and I just add an S to make it monkey. Valley, E-Y, vowel Y, I add an S. Turkey, vowel Y, E-Y, I add an S. Alley, vowel Y, E-Y, I added my S. Let's look at it one more way. Our singular become plural. You did a great job today. So I want you to think to yourself, what does it mean to be independent? And what does it mean to be an independent reader? It is so important that you are thinking about what it means to be independent, especially when you're at home doing all of this work today. Make sure that you're keeping yourself accountable for doing the work and asking for help when you need it. Great job, second graders. I'll see you again tomorrow.